It's been a dream बचपन से ही to be on a MTV show. So Jay is really a really close friend of mine right now. So I'm definitely looking for another reality show, and there's a lot more in me to come out. I would love to do roadies, because I'm a performer. I can perform really well. अगर मैं show पे वापस जाऊँ तो I would have definitely kicked out Kevin. That's all.
Well, कहा जा रहा है कि कॉम्पिटिटिव गेम में हारना और जीतना जैसे कि गेम का एक हिस्सा है, और उसी प्रकार से MTV स्प्लिट्सविला में काफी सारे ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स के बाद इस बार के एलिमिनेशन में निकल कर आए हैं 2 लोग। जी हाँ दोस्तों, एक तरफ जहां पे गैरी लू अनफॉर्चुनेटली गेम से हो गए हैं एविक्ट, वहीं दूसरी ओर अवंतिका भी गेम से बाहर आ गई है। वेल, आज के हमारे इस चैट सेशन में हमारे साथ जुड़ने वाले हैं एविक्टेड कंटेस्टेंट गैरी लू, और वो करेंगे शेयर स्टोरीज बिहाइंड हिज एलिमिनेशन, who if not him would have been evicted from the house, what was the story behind those 2 kisses that he actually made a statement on the show, and a lot more. तो आइए चलिए बुलाते हैं गैरी लू को मेरे यानी विशाखापट्टनम के साथ इस चैट सेशन में। Well, I have with me one of the rock stars from स्प्लिट्सविला का घर, जो अनफॉर्चुनेटली बाहर निकल कर आ चुके हैं। गैरी, फर्स्टली वेलकम टू टेली चक्कर। कैसा रहा सफर इस अनोखे घर का आपका?
मेरा सफर बहुत ही अमेजिंग रहा है, मतलब, एंड इट्स बीन अ ड्रीम बचपन से ही टू बी ऑन MTV शो, एंड उसके बाद आई एम लिविंग द ड्रीम, मैं ही कहता हूँ, बट आई वाज देयर डेफिनेटली टू परफॉर्म, and मैंने perform किया whenever I got a chance. I performed really extremely well, but I made the mistake that I trusted this guy, and that is why I got dumped.
Okay, so tell me one thing very honestly, as you said, आप perform करने के लिए घर में गए थे, but then जब आप initially स्प्लिट्सविला आए थे, तब आपका क्या मानना था that were you there only to perform, or you wanted some connection also, and then you wanted to see how things turned out, or how was it the planning then and the planning now?
So basically I'm a guy who goes with the flow. So definitely मेरा जो mindset था was like perform. You perform, but initially what I felt, when you stay in the villa, you spend your time, because we don't have phones and all, you spend your time with your connection, a lot of talking, you get to know that person, then definitely there's a bond that takes place, and that's how you go on further to the show. So connection is very important, and compatibility with that connection is also very important.
But then ऐसा कोई connection है जिनके साथ आप अब गेम के बाद भी connect करना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, ऐसा कोई भी connection नहीं है जिसके बाद मैं सही में connection बनाना चाहूँगा, and yeah, because I'm really focused on my life, and I feel like I'm not ready yet for any type of connection and all, because I'm just growing, and अभी invest मेरे में करना चाहिए मुझे लगता है in terms of my career, to support my family and all. So that's the wise decision I think I can do.
Well, I would say कि आपका सफर कुछ ज्यादा ही हसीन रंगीन कहना चाहिए, या जो भी word I should use for your journey out there, because बाहर बैठे बैठे फैंस को बहुत कुछ देखने को मिला, लेकिन हकीकत हमको गैरी ही बता सकते हैं। गैरी, हमने आपको 2 लोगों को as the show portrayed in front of us, we saw you kissing 2 people. How true, how false? What is the story behind that whole thing? Because I'm a little muddled up here. I don't know what actually happened inside this.
No. I didn't get you. What?
I'm saying कि आपके स्प्लिट्सविला के घर में हमने काफी सारे ऐसे मोमेंट्स देखे हैं गैरी के, जहाँ पे I think एक मोमेंट आया था जहाँ पे you ended up kissing I think 2 people, if I'm not wrong, because that's what I saw on Instagram. What was the whole story? What was the whole story?
No kissing, nothing happened. There is no story about it. No, I didn't kiss anyone. No. Are
you sure? Because as it was a little of here and there on Instagram, or maybe the fans had edited in that way that it was actually there, like they had actually done that thing.
No. So basically, that was a game I was playing, I remember, and I mistakenly said कि उसमें था कि true and false, something like that. मैंने मतलब the false word was like कि I have kissed 2 people on क्या बोलते हैं वो,
and that was in a way edited in the manner that it showed as that you have kissed 2 people in real.
Yeah, मतलब वो मैं अपनी गलती मानूंगा. I said कि क्या बोलते हैं it's true, but it wasn't true. It was like the game. I made a mistake there. I had to say a false statement. I had to say like 2-3 false statements. One was like truth. So this one became the truth other than the other one. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. There was no kissing, nothing happening there. No, guys.
But then if I talk about your bonds, I'm sure कि relationship level पे या फिर commitment level पे या आगे connection level पे तो कोई नहीं बना होगा, लेकिन दोस्ती यारी पे, who was the one person who supported you throughout the journey? Who do you think was that support system for you?
Definitely, I would say Kevin was the support system. Definitely. I trusted him a lot, but I feel. And दोस्ती में अगर आप बाहर अगर मतलब बोलेंगे, and game में भी, I think Jay was the one who really supported me in the show. He like taught me things, He's like, what are you doing? You should play for yourself. not be like just a go-to yes man, right? And yeah, so Jay is really a really close friend of mine right now. Shivam is another one, and I talk to Janvi as well, so we are in good talking terms. And other than that, I don't talk to people. The last one is Samarthya because he's too sweet.
And if I'm not wrong, you even had a little fight with Avantika also over things, and I think Shayad the things did not really turn out to be really good or something of that sort. So what was that fight about?
I'm really not comfortable, speaking on that topic.
We will not go there then. Then we'll not go there. Okay. So in that case, I would really love to know that, Splitsvilla is a journey in its own self. You got to learn a lot of other things from there. But then would you say that now would you want to be a part of any other reality show, or you're done with reality shows? Or maybe what next for you as an individual?
So definitely what I feel is because I got dumped so early, right? Abhi I was just opening and coming in my zone what Gary Woo really is. Because right now they've just seen like a performer, and because मेरे को पता ही नहीं था मैं actually show पे कर क्या रहा हूँ. So I'm definitely looking for another reality show, and there's a lot more in me to come out. I feel that way, and they would love my other personality because they would have never seen a guy, being a savage. And yeah, I'm like filled with all the emotions and all. I should have spoken more, but nevertheless, I learned, and I would love to do roadies, because I'm a performer. I can perform really well. So I'm looking forward to it.
Okay, but then your journey ended up pretty quickly, as you just also mentioned here. So if given a chance, would you want to go back? And if yes, who are those two people that you actually want to prove your point to? That, somebody who had put you down, but now that you want to prove their assumptions, their point of view incorrect. वो दो लोग कौन होंगे शो पे?
दो तो नहीं है. I think एक ही है. I think अगर मैं शो पे वापस जाऊँ तो I would have definitely kicked out Kevin. That's all.
And what would your message be for Kevin? Because I'm sure that you, as you just said, he was your friend, but now he's no longer a friend. But then what will your message be for him?
Yeah, my message will be only that I trusted you too much, and nobody from my team really scored 3 goals for you. But I was the one who scored, and I was I would say I supported him too much, because I would say vote me out, but I want you in the finals. That's what we had conversation with. But he was like my brother, man, and then I would say yeah, I can't trust you anymore, and you're getting kicked out now.
Reality shows have a lot of myths about them. A lot of people say कि अच्छा अंदर groups बन जाते हैं, we plan and plot and XYZ things. Did you find any such thing of there? Just for example, did you sit and plot against any contestant?
मेरे को इतना मन नहीं करता था यार, क्या बोलते हैं, सही में मैं इतना सोचूं, प्लानिंग प्लॉटिंग करूं कि इसको निकालना चाहिए, ये टफ कंपटीशन है. I'm a guy performer, I perform, and if you can't perform like I win, I will kick you out. So that was my basically strategy. I would play fair. मैं कोई ज्यादा दिमाग नहीं लड़ाता था. If from any other group कोई भी जाता था, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता था, सच बोलूं तो. Because at the end of the day, there can only be one winner. Everyone here is to play. But जो मैं मेंटालिटी के साथ चलता हूँ वो ये है कि play fair, don't play dirty. Yeah, मुझे लगता है कि because Kevin knew I was such a good performer, better performer than a roadie, that is why he got a chance and he kicked me out.
So he took the first chance and just pushed you out of the house, out of the villa, I would say.
Definitely, because अगर मैं रहता तो in the upcoming task वो हार जाता. क्योंकि जैसे अगर थोड़ा आप रिवाइंड करेंगे, मैं अपना बोस्ट नहीं करना चाहता, बट अगर आप थोड़ा रिवाइंड करें, he wasn't there in the tug of war challenge that day when all the boys were performing, right? I was the one who performed, and जो ये इतना सपोर्ट करता है अपने फ्रेंड्स ध्रुव एंड ट्रेवॉन को, एंड मैंने इनको दोनों को एक साथ खींच दिया था, एक के बाद एक खींच दिया था. एंड ध्रुव being 6'3", he's more heavier than me, he's taller than me, but I pulled that guy in 10 seconds, less than 10 seconds. I pulled him up, right? मैंने इनको बैक टू बैक हरा दिया था. एंड इन द बास्केटबॉल चैलेंज दैट वाज जस्ट 2 weeks बैक, उसमें भी I scored 3 goals. Kevin just scored 1 goal. That also I gave him the pass, right? So 3 goals and 1 goal is different. I played so well, but he thinks he's too good. I don't feel that he's too good, because I don't feel that way. He's just too boasting about himself, being like a performer and all, but he cannot dance. He doesn't know shit. And yeah, he got a chance. He kicked me out, and yeah, he was too scared. He was being a bitch.
I really would love to know here कि आपने परफॉर्मेंस पे बहुत ध्यान दिया, आपने बॉन्ड्स लिमिटेड बनाए, लेकिन इतने सारे नहीं बनाए. लेकिन अब अगर आपको वापस जाने का मौका मिला, would you focus on making a new bond with somebody out there? And if yes, who would you want to try knowing now?
No, I don't really want to know anyone. I'll stick with Janvi if I really want to play the game, because the compatibility and जिसके साथ मैच बना के सकते हो तो वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है शो पे, क्योंकि आपको उस पर्सन के साथ यू हैव टू बी रियली चिल, आपका दिमाग खराब नहीं होना चाहिए, यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन द गेम एज वेल. So I wouldn't like switch with any new person. And अगर मैं विला में वापस आता तो सिर्फ मैं जिसने मुझे बाहर निकाला. Yeah.
But then what was it about Janvi that you really liked and then you thought that it clicks with you, the mentality clicks with you? What was that common ground with you people?
Yeah, I would say she was very very intellectual, and she could understand like why are we here on the show, and our vibes match basically. She was very knowledgeable. I could learn a lot of things from her, and just not be like just the go-to yes man thing nahi tha Janvi mein bhi. That's what I felt. Like everybody else, whatever Kevin and Kat said, they were like okay, and Janvi was like that. She took like Owen's stand. So Owen's stand was like, oh damn, that's cool.
Acha, then I would just need to know last thing. If you think that if not you should have been out of the house, who do you think should have been evicted from the house?
Definitely, I would say Trevon.
Trevon should have been out of the house. Well, on that note, just a parting note for your fans जो आपको देख रहे हैं, because I've seen how the fans have loved Gary Lou a lot outside the घर. And now when they'll see you out, when they'll get to know that you have been unfortunately eliminated, I'm sure they're not going to be really happy. But what parting message do you have for them?
So basically, I don't have fans. I have a Gary gang, right? Yeah. To all the Gary gangsters, thank you so much for the love and support. It's been a dream that I'm still living a dream, and you guys are a part of it. Thank you for everything, and I will entertain you guys as much as possible in any ways possible. And thank you guys. Love you.
Well, I wish you all the luck, and I really hope that your dream of now next going to roadies is fulfilled pretty soon, Gary, I would say.
Thank you so much, Vishakha.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right, bye. Take care.
Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching this chat session with me, Vishakha Pandit, and that was Gary Lou for you people. Well, we really hope that Gary के सपने बहुत जल्द पूरे होते हुए नजर आए. आप हमारे साथ नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में गैरी के साथ इस चैट सेशन के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे जरूर शेयर करेगा. Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates about the Telly world.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.